Hello student, good afternoon. Today we will start the general characters and outline classification up to the class level of protozoa. Protozoa, phylum Protozoa. Phylum Protozoa is the first phylum in the invertebrate zoology. General characters and classification up to the class level. The name Protozoa comes from Goldfuss, scientist, in 1818, who however used the name simply for the lower groups of zoophyta, including protozoans, sponges, cylindrids, and rotifers, and bryozoans. The horned seaboard, scientist name Horned Seaboard, VON, Horned Seaboard, in 1845, recognized the univalvular nature of the protozoa. Third characters, protozoa are generally microscopic in size. They are found in fresh water, salts water, and damp soil. Some protozoans are parasitic, symbiotic, and commensals. They are called acellular or non-cellular because their bodies are not differentiated into cells. Protozoa forms a heterogeneous groups. The members display an extreme diversity of structure, different types of symmetry, and adaptations to various environments. Many protozoans are extremely complicated in structure. Same protozoa form two colonies. A protozoa might be defined as an organism which is made up of mass of protoplasm not divided into cells and which carries on all the vital activities of life such as locomotion, feeding, digestion, egestion, respiration, excretion, and reproduction, etc. Protozoans as simple animals, or many have complicated structures and are physiologically complex in as much as protozoa are not made up of cells. They represent what is called the protoplasmic level of organization. Next character, some protozoa are quite close to the plants and may be considered as connecting link between animals and plants. The number and variety of protozoans is very great. About 50,000 species have been named, although over 20,000 of them are fossils forms. 20,000 of them are fossils form. The immense number of protozoa have traditionally been separated by their means of locomotion into four classes: Sarcodina with pseudopodia, Gohora with flagella, Ciliata with cilia, and Sporozoa with no organelles for locomotion. Recently, the Committee on Taxonomy and Taxonomic Problems of the Society of Protozoologists published a revised classification of the protozoa. Hennig-Berg et al. In 1964. Next characters. According to Hennig-Berg et al., protozoa have been divided into 4 subphyla: Sarcomastigophora, Sporozoa, Nidospora, and Coleophora. For examples, Euglena trypanosoma amoeba, Plasmodium, Paramecium, and Entamoeba, etc. Nutrition may be holozoic. Its nutrition is the holozoic type, holophytic, saprozoic, or parasitic. Intracellular digestion takes place inside the food vacuoles. Food oval, sphericals, elongated or flattened. Respiration occurs by diffusion through general body surface. Excretion through by permanent pore. The cytophiles, contractile vacuoles, perform osmoregulation in freshwater form and also help in removing excretory product. Reproduction asexually or asexual occurs by binary multiple fission, budding or sporulation, and sexual is performed by gametes formation or conjugation. Life cycle often exhibits alternation of generation. Includes the asexual and sexual. What is meant by alternation of generation? 2 life cycles here, asexual as well as sexual type of reproduction takes place in this protozoa. Classification up to class level. The classification of protozoa divided into 4 subphyla according to Hennig-Berg. Sarcomastigophora, Mastigophora superclass, Phytomastigophoria class, Zoomastigophoria class, Ophilinata superclass, Sarcodina superclass, Rhizopodia, Pyroplasmia, Actinopodia. This is the classes in subphylum Sarcomastigophora. Sporozoa, Tylospora class, Toxoplasmia class, Haplosporia class. Next subphylum Nidospora, Myxosporidia and Microsporidia. Coleophora phylum Coleophora, Ciliata class, Ciliata. Sarcomastigophora organelles of locomotive motion are pseudopodia or flagella. Nucleus is of single type, monomorphic. There is no spore formation. Syngamy occurs in reproduction. Mastigophora They are commonly called flagellates, organelles of locomotion in adults are flagella. Body is covered by pedicle. Binary fission is longitudinal. They are mostly free living through some are parasitic, example Mastigia mia. They generally possess chromatophores. There are usually only one or two flagella. The nucleus is vesicular. They have no chromatophores. There are one to many flagella. Often there is an undulating membrane. Most of them are parasitic. Undulating membrane. Ophialinata. They have numerous cilia like organelles in oblique rows over the entire body surface. There is no cytostome. Two or more monomorphic nuclei are present. Binary fission is interkinetal. There is syngamy with flagellated anisogametes. All are parasitic. Sarcodina. Their organelles of locomotion are pseudopodia. The amoeboid form is predominant. Some have a hard shell. They generally do not form spores. Formation of gametes and flagellated young ones are common. Their organelles of locomotion are logopodia or philopodia, but never oxopodia. They are generally creeping forms. Small, round, rod-shaped or amoeboid parasites in vertebrates. Red blood cells, example Babesia. Their organelles of locomotion are delicate and radiose oxopodia. They are primarily sessile or floating forms. Test is present or absent. Gametes are usually flagellated. Reproduction is both sexual and asexual. Sporozoa. The adult has no external organelles of locomotion. They are all parasitic and incapable of active life outside their host. Cilia or flagella may be present in gametes. Syngamy takes place after which many spores are formed. The spores are simple and contain one to many sporozoites. Sporozoites are the infective phase. Nucleus is of the single type. Pseudopodia are generally absent and locomotion is by gliding or body flexion. Spores are formed and there are flagellated microgametes. In some reproduction is both sexual and asexual. Example Nematocystis plasmodium. Spores are absent. There are no flagella or pseudopodia at any stage. Reproduction by binary fission. Cysts are formed. which have many naked sporozoites, example Sarcocystis toxoplasma. Next, Nidospora. Nidospora. Spores have several cells having one or more polar filaments which are coiled threads and can be shot out, and one or more sarcoplasma or sporoplasms analogous to sporozoites. All are parasitic. Zygote gives rise to one or more propozoites without sporogeny. Okay, thank you.